Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your speaker EDIFIER MS50A. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices or Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. And right here we have HD audio. So to enable it, just tap at the slider one time, and to disable it, you need to also press one time this slider. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!